Introduction to Finding Local Deals with Flipp.
Looking to save on your weekly shopping? Flipp is a free app that helps you discover the latest flyers and in-store deals from retailers in your neighborhood. Whether you shop for groceries or electronics, Flipp makes it easy to browse discounts and plan your purchases. Let's explore how to get started and make the most of local savings.
Downloading and setting up the Flipp app.
Getting started is simple. Download the Flipp app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app and allow location access so Flipp can show you the most relevant local deals. You can also enter your postal code manually if you prefer, ensuring you see offers specific to your area.
Browsing weekly flyers in your area.
Flipp organizes weekly flyers from hundreds of stores. On the home screen, you'll see digital flyers based on your location. Tap on any flyer to view all current deals, sales, and promotions. If you're looking for a specific store, use the search bar to find flyers instantly. This helps you compare offers and plan where to shop.
Searching for specific items and creating a shopping list.
Save time by searching for items directly. Use the search function to find deals on products like milk or paper towels across all nearby stores. Add your chosen items to Flipp's built-in shopping list. As you shop, you can check off items, ensuring you don't miss out on any discounted products.
Extra savings and final tips.
Make the most of Flipp's features. Activate loyalty cards within the app to earn points, and look out for special digital coupons you can clip for additional savings. Review new flyers each week to stay updated on fresh deals. With these tips, you'll find the best local offers and maximize your savings every shopping trip.